All right, this is Friday, July 10, 2026. Good evening, everyone. The Minister of Defense, Mr. Christopher Musa, went to New Central Television, and when he got there, during the course of the interview, he made some statements that I think is not supposed to be so. A statement that is controversial, and a statement that has redefined Nigeria, a statement that has made a lot of people to be thinking twice. Now, why so many of you are focusing on what he said about Justice Crack, which we are going to still analyze in this video. I'm going to still analyze it in this video. He said that Justice Crack commanded the army to remove meat from their soup so that it could look like they are being, maltreated or not feeding them well. That it was Justice Crack that commanded the Nigerian soldiers to do so. Wow. We are going to come to look into that. Let us see how powerful is Justice Crack is, like commander in chief. Anyway, this is not a laughing stock. Now let's look at another statement or another thing that Christopher Musa said. He was asked, why is it that the Oyo school children have not been released? I mean, the Oyo school children that were kidnapped. Christopher Musa said that the terrorists are commanding them, that if they come near where those children are, that they are going to kill them. Like the terrorists told them not to come close. Like if they come close, the terrorists are going to kill these children. After listening to the Nigerian Minister of Defense, I said, no wonder Nigeria is like this. No wonder Nigeria is like this. Wait a minute. You mean a terrorist supposed to invite you and say, oh, and you people should come and carry your student. We are not going to fight you. Like which terrorist group can say that? Even though they are just minor criminals. They will not even say, soldiers, come and carry your school children. Oh yeah, you people should come. No. You know that rescuing somebody, it requires intelligence. It requires intelligence. And see, let me be straight to the point. I personally know the capacity of the Nigerian soldiers. I know the capacity of Nigerian forces. I know what they can do, what they cannot do. Like if you tell me that Nigerian soldiers are collaborating with terrorists, I know they can do it. If you tell me that Nigerian soldiers want to rescue these children, that they can rescue it, I will tell you, yes, they can rescue it because I know their capacity. Then when they fail to rescue it, there is a reason why they did not rescue them. Not because the terrorists command soldiers that if they come close, we'll kill the children, so don't come close. Like, that is a normal thing every terrorist organization, any kidnapper is going to say. So, by the way, just pay attention to understand what actually the Minister of Defense said so that we come back to analyze this. I'm going to, put it in a way you will understand these statements. This is a Minister of Defense. He just said something. He made a statement, but a lot of people did not understand what he said. So stay with me while we analyze these two stories.
Feel that the military are underfunded. Only 1.504 trillion was designated to the army. Is that enough?
It's not enough. They've increased our pay. When they started, a soldier was collecting 49,000 monthly. We tried so hard, now it's collecting 100,000.
Enlighten us as to the matter with Oyo. Is it that we're impatient because people are still counting days?
And it's a very sad event. Unfortunately, bad things do happen. For whatever reason, they are looking for leverage because we have some of their commanders with us and they feel taking these kids and holding them to ransom will make us release their commander. And now we've threatened when we wanted to take action against that. If we come any closer, they want to kill all the kids.
Would you support the perspective of people like Adams Oshomole who says it's time for the death penalty?
And I think we should do that. There must be deterrence. The laws are soft and that's why people take advantage. If they know once you commit an offense, there must be punishment.
Like Justice Crack was exposing the lack of proper feeding. What was so wrong with that?
The soldiers' food was okay. There was meat, there was all this, but he told them to pull out those things out and make it look as if these things were not there.
All right, first thing first, let us look into this issue. We have there so many commanders and they are threatening that if we come close, they are going to kill those children. Dear Christopher Musa, don't make Nigeria to look like Banana Republic, even though Nigeria is, for example, a Banana Republic. Don't always come to make it look like, just pretend that Nigeria is great. Now, I thought you were the Minister of Defense. Listen to me. Listen. You see, this is the reason why I always advocate that Nigeria, if Nigeria is a country that want to fight insecurity, they should send all the host soldiers out of the bush. You people are doing nothing. I'm saying it, you people are doing nothing. the Nigerian government, if for example Nigeria is a country that want to solve this insecurity situation, if not that they are the ones sponsoring it, the best thing they are supposed to do is to arm the citizens. Arm them with AK-47. I'm coming to tell you why everybody should carry arm. If I have people of like minds, just 10 of us. You see those are your school children, we'll get them out. We will get them out. This is not because of firepower, change of firepower, no. Like 7 days is enough to strategize, map out recognizance, understanding the terrain, know the time they sleep, know the time they pray, know their movement, know who is supplying them logistics, and so on and so forth. Just 10 people. If you give us the power to carry both sniper, use binoculars, use powerful drones, we do not need money from you. We'll rescue that. We'll rescue those students. The location they are now, the ESS knows. I believe military knows their location right now. Okay? They are not in Oyo State. I have made the video before. These people are not in Oyo State. If you want to rescue these people, it is a matter of intelligence. You see those terrorists who are guiding these people, it is a matter of confusing them that a war is going on. Let me not make something. Let me not say something that I'm not supposed to say. Okay? But rescue mission, indeed, is not an easy task for normal security operation. Rescue mission is more than you shoot me, I shoot you. No. Rescue mission is something that must be organized. And there must not be a saboteur. When I mean a saboteur, you with me, we are preparing to go and rescue people. And you follow back to tell them our plan. You understand? That is why I said if I see people like me, the same like of mind, just 10 people, 10 persons, finish. We'll get them out of there. We will get them out. You understand? We'll get them out. All of them. In fact, both the terrorists will bring them out. Unconscious. All of them will be unconscious. We'll bring them out. You understand? I'm not trying to say what I can't do. All those, both the terrorists, the school children, all of them will be unconscious. We will bring them out there. It is very easy. Because I'm saying it is easy because I am now talking with a power of a state. I'm not talking of individual power any longer. I'm not talking about vigilante power any longer. Deploy the state power, but they can't do that. They can't do it because there are underlying issues. I think if actually Christopher Musa want to be making all this statement, he should be sending his assistants to national television. Because you can't be coming out to say that you have not rescued school children, that the terrorists kidnap because terrorists ask you not to come closer. Guy, Christopher Musa, you dey fuck up. Oh. You dey fuck up. See, if not because this is just Nigeria, let's assume Nigeria have been partitioned into so many states. You don't fit be my Minister of Defense with this statement. You go come down. No, you go resign. You don't fit be my Minister of Defense. Like, wait a minute. Like, are you a vigilante leader? A vigilante leader no fit make this statement. I mean, a vigilante leader no fit make this statement. Say terrorists say me no come close, because of me no rescue people. I know I have 4 records now. 4 records where terrorists kidnap people, then they put on calls. Then vigilante received the calls. The vigilante said, "You have to release these people. If you didn't release them, we'll come and release them." And these terrorists are telling vigilante people that if you come close, we are going to kill them. It's a normal thing. But after the vigilante group tell the terrorists that, when the terrorists told the vigilante that if you come close, we are going to kill them, the vigilante did not give up. They went. One of their members was shot. He survived it. They rescued the person. This is what we are talking about. There was other occasions. I have other 3 occasions where the terrorists will tell them that don't come with vigilante, don't tell the police, just bring ransom. But those people went and tell the vigilante group, and they went, they rescued them, giving us a silly excuse that the terrorists commanded you. Terrorists told you not to come close. Because of that, you did not go. Like, who are you talking to? Who are you trying to please? What sort of rubbish is this? No, this is absolutely rubbish. That terrorists told you not to come close. Because of that, a nation could not rescue people in their territory. Not that they flew these people out. Just a single American was kidnapped by Boko Haram near Niger Republic border. Navy SEAL I believe they must have spent close to 1 billion naira for that operation, just to rescue one American. Like, I'm not even saying that your people should use show of force, where 10 fighter jets will circle these people around with ground troop and they will surrender. They will surrender, they won't shoot. I'm not saying you people should do that, because most of your teams, most of the soldiers, they are, already working for the terrorists. We have the evidence. I have the evidence of what I'm saying. They're already working with the terrorists. So if that will be difficult, no problem. But organize an intelligent operation. Organize an intelligent operation. There is no... See, let me forget about that. Let me go into what he said about Justice Crack. Okay? Now, he said that Justice Crack told the Nigerian soldiers to remove meat from their soup. General, many people like you before. Christopher Musa, no. There are some things, you stop going to national television to disgrace people and disgrace yourself. Justice Crack, order your soldiers to remove meat from their food. It means that Justice Crack can also order them to come and kill you. It means that if they take order from Justice Crack, a blogger, oh my goodness, like, there are some things that are supposed to be left unsaid now. This is bad. This is bad, General. This is bad. No one will tell you this. People will be afraid to tell you the truth. Okay? People will be afraid to tell you the truth. But just that we have come to a level where speaking the truth doesn't scare us. You understand? Saying the truth doesn't scare us, because we believe that life is nothing. Life is nothing. You're saying that, no, the soldiers' food were good. He asked them to remove meat, and like, you get as the thing they do me for body now. Like, the thing, it's making me think that this is just someone from kindergarten, someone from nursery school saying it. Justice Crack, order your soldiers to remove meat out of their soup. Christopher Musa should apologize to Justice Crack for lying against him. That is my own opinion. Christopher Musa, if I am in the position of Justice Crack, I will drag Christopher Musa to court. Provide the soldiers, provide the message, provide everything. The military were with Justice Crack phone, they search his phone and all those things. They should provide evidence of what Christopher Musa said. If they did not provide evidence, Christopher Musa should pay damages. He should pay damages. No, we are playing too much in this country. Playing too much. Why the people who are destroying Nigeria, people who want to Islamize Nigeria, people who want to fight and fight and fight. When Shekau, one time Boko Haram leader, that Nigerian soldier said they kill more than 5 times. Today they kill him, tomorrow Shekau will make a video. When Shekau made a video and said this fight of Boko Haram is only against Christians, all Christians in Nigeria. The video, I still have the video up to tomorrow. If you need it, I can give it to you, okay? I know what I'm talking about. People thought that it was a joke until ISWAP wake up and said all Christians in Nigeria will pay with their blood. This problem we have in Nigeria must be defined. If you didn't define it, you people are wasting your time. You don't know what you are fighting. Define the problem we have. This is a religious problem. We are fighting a religious war in Nigeria. Whether you said no or you said yes, no matter what you want to say, but this is a religious war to implement Sharia in Nigeria. That is their mission statement. ISWAP, ISIS, Boko Haram, Ndakurawa, Mahmuda, even Andemodu Sheriff, who is now becoming APC spokesperson, who created Boko Haram in Borno State, appointed Boko Haram as a commissioner of religious affairs. Christopher Musa used to see this man every day now. Have you arrested him? Have you invited him? Who do you people want to deceive? Anyway, it is what it is. See, this country not there sustainable. No, make not then let people they deceive you. Okay? Everybody then lie. All of them are lying to you. All of them are lying to you, deceiving you, just for them to get out of office. They know that in a short period of time they will be out of there. So they can do anything they want. But don't be deceived. Don't be deceived. Equip yourself and protect yourself. Because the people you think that maybe they could protect you, don't be surprised they are the one that is making, you to see the hell that you are seeing today. Trust no one.